Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is day 3 of our spooky tutorials for Halloween. Today we are doing a super simple neon lights skull face look for you. Okay guys, as always, make sure if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please give this video a big thumbs up. Share it if you want to. You know that always helps me out and I love it when you do. And if you hit the bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Alright guys, let's roll right into this tutorial. Alright guys, we're going to start out by mapping our face first. Anywhere where the skull is going to have black so that the neon can pop and highlight, we want to line that out. And I'm just using a Wet n Wild liner. So where the temple is, we're going to kind of make that disappear. And your lines don't have to be perfect. You know, you're adding paint, you're adding shadow. And then just kind of find where your natural cheekbone is and where that opens up with your jawbone. And that's where you want to have your next lines. And then for the nose, you just want to kind of make like an upside down crooked heart. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna add a little foundation because some of this is just gonna be my natural skin color. And I'm not too worried about going over the lines because you'll still kind of see them. And they're just there as guidelines anyway. I think actually for the eyes, we're gonna glam out and make that part of the whole finished look instead of blacking them out like a normal skull. So let's go with that. I'm gonna be using my Miron makeup palette kit. It is water activated paints. You can use any type of paint that you want to. Today I'm gonna go into a bit of the black. And we're gonna black out some of the skull here. And we're gonna black out that area that we drew. Or if it's a little transparent, you can add black shadow on top of it to clean it up. And you will use that to set it as well. With a smaller detail brush, I'm gonna still go in with that black and just fix that line. And then on an e.l.f. blending brush, I'm just gonna pick up some black shadow and I'm just gonna help buff out that end so that it kind of like fades in. Black is from the Carnival palette from BP Cosmetics. It's not my favorite black shadow. There are definitely some brands that have a better black. Now with another paintbrush, you're gonna dip into a white paint. And all around the black, you're gonna make a white line that follows it. Around the nose, don't go right up against the nose. You wanna go a little bit outside of that, kind of come in from where your brow bone is and come around the whole nose and connect to the other brow bone. Similar to that. Then we want to come down around the ear and around that jawline. We're going to loop one in between these two blacks, kind of where you would put some blush and highlight. And then we'll have two loop like this on the forehead. And then one straight across. Okay? If you have a black lipstick, you can apply that. If not, just take some of your water activated paint and go across your lips, connecting this area to this area because that's where all the teeth would be sitting. And again, just set all that with powder so it doesn't move. And I'm just gonna draw lines going down across the mouth, kind of like where the teeth are gonna sit. Again, this doesn't have to be perfect. Now you want to take neon shadows, and I have a bunch from Glam Vice from their Retro Neons collection. And I'm also going to be using a brush cleaner from Walgreens just so I don't have to use a bunch of different brushes. So I'm going to put these in rainbow order. With another e.l.f. blending eye brush, because it's nice and fluffy, we're just going to pick up some of that pigment. Oof. And we're going to start applying it right on the white. And you just want to continue to alternate colors until they're all on. Hey, sorry guys, my camera died, so I had just gone through and just placed all the neon everywhere where there is white, even where the teeth are gonna be. I went in a rainbow order on most of the face, and then just in some spots just put the color itself. Okay, so now that we have all that on, we have to go back into the white and just make sure that that pops through a little bit, because we just want it to look like a neon light. It's not showing up too much on the camera, but in the photos that I have at the end, you'll definitely see that that white is popping through. And then get an even thinner detail brush for the teeth. And just add highlights in the teeth to really make them stand out. I'm gonna go off camera and just do a quick eye, and then we will throw on a wig and be done with this easy neon lights look. Alright guys, I did a quick smoky eye. I added this neon yellow wig to finish off this super simple neon lights skull. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comments below. That is gonna end day number 3 of our spooky 13 tutorials for Halloween. If there is a look that you are looking for, leave a comment down below. If I haven't done one for that day yet, I will definitely put it in my rotation. Let me know if you would do this look, and if you do recreate it, tag me on Instagram or Twitter. My handle's right here. It's the same at both. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until tomorrow, bye.